Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Bluetooth device not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth. Update driver all devices under Bluetooth one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.